Yo, right fellas? Yes, it's Lars here again. As you can see, I'm fancy again. We are doing another wedding. This time at Rowton Castle, near Shrewsbury. Hi guys. Oh, pigs! I'm dying, guys. Look at them, they are so pretty. Hello. I move a bit away so my sign is not in there. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh, you're so pretty. Pretty pigs. Oh, hello, hello. Oh wow, the sun has gone now, so actually take some nice records of you guys. Oh yeah. You are just amazing. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, look at that spotty one. Hello. Look at that, guys. How far? I don't need my shoe, mate. Look at that, guys. How far a mouth pellet can travel. There we go. If you didn't know that, MÁV is the Hungarian Railways. Hi fellas! So the nearest place to Rowton Castle, where hopefully I'm gonna be able to find the sign, is Alberbury. Alberbury? I think it's Alberbury. Yeah, Alberbury. So no, it's Alberbury. A-L-B-E-R-B-U-R-Y. Alberbury. Blackberry. Yum yum. Alberbury is not far anymore. I assume a couple of minutes of walk. Although it's really warm today. And I'm wearing this fancy dress just before the wedding, doing a sign hunting project where I'm actually getting sweated. But anyway, sometimes you need to risk things for certain things to achieve or to generate achievement. That's what we are doing now. We are achieving, yes. Oh mate. Hi. Hi fellas. Yes. So this is Alberbury. Alberbury. We need to find a sign now, and hopefully there is a sign. Don't know where it could be though. Might be. Oh, there it is. I can already see it. Awesome. The sign is about 100 meters away. Not far. Hey, guess where we are? Alberbury. Yes! Yes! Hi fellas! Thanks for watching the Sign Hunters, guys. You are awesome. Thanks guys. Thanks sign. See you later. I've literally got like 10 minutes to get back, maximum 15. Let's go, the wedding is waiting for us. Hello. This is a bit bigger one already. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello guys. Hello, how's it going? Hi. Nice nose, nice nose. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful ginger pigs. Yes, ginger pigs. Right, back in Rowton Castle.